Well, it's nice that the weather's holding up for that event, and it is dry, as we've seen nothing but a few sprinkles here today with a dense marine fog advisory out till 6 o'clock in the morning. And again, that would be the only problem right near the coast. You can see the latest Doppler radar. There is not a lick of rain in sight in spite of the cloud cover. We did have a few sprinkles this morning in our northern counties. They've been swept up to the north and east, and it is drying out over much of the Lone Star State. The visibility forecast, though, takes the visibility down. This is actually our front coming through at 1 a.m., so the visibility is better up to the north where the front moves through than it is here, and then that pushes on through by 7, so not near the fog that we saw this morning near the coastal areas. Here's our front. Again, it's through San Antonio. We'll be arriving here early in the morning, 52 in the Austin area, 45 in San Angelo, but 70s and 80s south of the front. There were even some 90s today right here in South Texas, down around Falfurrias and Fremont. So overriding this front is very warm, humid air coming in out of the Gulf, and the front is like a mountain that the air has to rise over, and it does it. It'll condense. That'll keep the clouds with us, and it'll start to produce some very light rain or drizzle here tomorrow, and that'll morph into some shower activity here tomorrow night as this disturbance out to the west rolls over the region. So there's plenty of moisture to work with to that disturbance right here. You can see the blow up of the moisture coming in off the mountains of Mexico, and that'll be arriving in South Texas just about the same time the instability does tomorrow night. So 77 right now. It'll still be in the upper 60s, way above normal at midnight tonight here in Corpus Christi, and then down to 60 by morning. And notice what happens. The winds go from southeast to east to northeast. That's our front coming in and basically stalling over the area until that impulse from the west moves through. But it's going to be cool and wet tomorrow, damp starting out in 59 degrees, 60 with light rain at noon, and showers and cool and 59 at 5 p.m. So again, the wettest part of the day will be the afternoon and evening, but it's not going to amount to a whole lot volume-wise. Here are the winds out of the northeast. Normally when a front goes through, they'd be out of the northwest, but that is not the case with this until we get to Wednesday morning, and by Wednesday afternoon, that'll clear us out then on into Thursday, which will be very, very nice. Here is the future clouds and rain, and again you can see clouds over us at 10 o'clock tonight, then the showers break out in the morning to afternoon and maintain their level through the afternoon hours. Then the disturbance comes through late on Tuesday night and Wednesday. By Wednesday evening, we start to break up a little bit. Rainfall amounts look like this across the region, and again, they're pretty light through Thursday afternoon, I should say, and they're only going to average about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. If you see more than that, you'll be very, very lucky. Again, here's the disturbance, pretty far south, but it's moving northeast and not southeast. But again, a new one pops into place, and that's going to send a warm front through here, and that warm front's going to happen on Saturday, and that's when we actually have a better shot of rain than we do overnight and tomorrow. So light rain, 64 for the high both tomorrow and also on Wednesday. The low will be dropping into the 50s here Wednesday morning, and then once we clear out, 40s for Thursday and Friday morning, which look great during the afternoon hours, but scattered showers on Saturday with a warm front, and then we'll be back up in the 70s again. So I think we're done with any thought of a freeze here. I think that's over with for South Texas, so it's time to plant.
All right.
Sounds good, Dale.